Anyone want a light show? There's your light show.
Look at that thing, dude. 204. Wait.
Yo guys, we're back to another video. Today we are playing Twisted Beta in Roblox. Yes, sir. But yeah. What am I doing? Oh yeah, a job. I haven't checked their modes though. Thank you God. Even though it's like the worst high day I've ever seen, but we don't talk about that. Thank God it's a high though. At least it's a high day. I'm going to try to make this video. Alright, let's be honest. Like, I've tried like 30 recordings and I just haven't edited them or anything. We're in TIV 2 today. Oh yeah, forgot. Yeah, I just got this thing too, so don't be like, if you've watched some of my other videos, asking, oh, why didn't you use your TIV 2 in any other video? Because I didn't have it. Anyways, listen to TIV 2's satisfying deployment sounds real quick. That's fine. Now it's gonna undeploy, so like give it a second. But we're waiting for a storm to spawn here. I guess we're gonna cut whenever we get one. We're gonna actually go. We should have really gone. No, I'm actually gonna. What the freak? Oh, like why did the storm disappear for a second? Ew, it's fine. I'm gonna turn off like storm effects, so it isn't really annoying for some people. Like it really gets hard to see with storm effects on. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn around. You guys might be thinking like, why aren't you going towards the storm? You will see. Hey, we're in Prior Lake. We're actually gonna see if there's a velocity couplet. Nope. No, yes there is. And hitting it. Jesus. They just really decided to go off-road, huh? Off-road. And blinding rain, of course. That's so fun. Wait, where'd that velocity couplet go? I'm starting to think it just sit right here. Because, like, the storm motion is going northeast, so it should be heading at least that direction. Alright. Where's it going? Give us a polygon. Give us a polygon. Please, I need that polygon. You know what? I got an idea. Rotation is a little large. A little large, just a little bit big. A little big, you know, just a little bit. Just a little bit big. Oh, bro, anyone want a light show? There's your light show. That's gonna be part of the thumbnail. That thing is massive. We're gonna turn here. Wait, we're getting winds all the way over here? Wait, winds are all the way over here? Wait, this thing might actually kill my TIV too. Wait. Wait, this thing might actually kill my TIV. Where am I sitting? Bro, you know, my jaw just dropped like a cartoon character. Cartoons from the 40s. I'm starting to think, like... Alright, placing probes, I'm going to deploy. I'm actually going to wait for this thing to get closer before I deploy, because this is a TIV 2, its deployment time takes forever. Never mind, I'm going to deploy right now. Dude! I wasn't expecting to get this big of a tornado instantly. Oh my god, I think this thing is getting wider. Hurry up. There we go, we're fully deployed. TIV 2 is fully deployed. Oh my god, here we go. The first tornado of the day. With the most powerful winds I've ever seen. Kid you not, that thing's going so fast. Alright, we're about to watch this barn disappear. Oh my god, that barn's gone. 156. We are watching stuff go away now. Are we even in the funnel? I think we're in the funnel definitely. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like. How bad is the screen shake? Very bad. This thing might be a TIV killer, oh my god. That barn slab. 201, 203, oh my god, we're gonna die. That thing's pink. Oh my god, it's got blue in the velocity couplet. Oh yep, look at that thing, dude. 204. Wait. Do I need some explanations here? How did I just get lifted from that? Yeah, rewatching this, I realized it went over 225 miles an hour, so that's why. 212, it's supposed to be 225. How did the TIV get lifted? Bro. 300 plus. Very, very strong tornado. I'm gonna screenshot the screen. Wait. No. No, Hazelson's getting hit right now. 300 plus, dude. How is that even possible for the first tornado? Like, instant EF5. That's so rare. That thing's gonna destroy the radar. Alright, goodbye, radar. Have a nice life, buddy. We have twins. Wait, I just realized we have twins. Oh my god. Bro, Funkley is so lucky. I didn't think it'd get this bad. Bro, I'm getting winds all the way over here. Like, what is this? Bro, what have I just entered? I got a boosted server. Dude, this is the best high I've ever gotten. Dude, I'm getting winds all the way over here. These tornadoes might merge. I'm stopping here. I'm gonna go through this little area. Dude, I'm getting winds all the way over here. That is insane. Alright, just go. Book it. Don't stop. Dude, this thing's weakening, I think. But, like, it's coring Hazleton right now. If I'm not in the funnel, I think I should be good with this one. Maybe. I'm staying as far away as I possibly can while staying on the road. Bro, I don't know how I even survived that tornado. 300 plus tornado is quite insane for a tornado of its size. Wait, is this the wind field from this tornado or that tornado? Like, Monster El Reno-ish tornado. That's what this one reminds me of. I'm just saying, I'm expecting slabbed houses. I saw a black couplet again. Dude. At the thing's peak, this thing was definitely EF5. Like, not to be that kid, that type of kid that just goes instant EF5, but that's instant EF5. Bro, all the way. Gone. 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 These things might be merging here in a second, dude. I'm like... That's insane. Bro, we're about to go rate Hazleton after this. Instant, dude. I'm waiting. I hope to God there's still skyscrapers left. Off its foundation. We'll come back for these houses. Hazleton's the big one. Wait, I think this thing's lifting. I'm trying to stay away from these tornadoes as much as I can, but I don't think that's possible. There's no way I can possibly even intercept these things, because this thing just already lifted my TIV. I mean, at least I know every time I get my TIV, I'll get some powerful tornadoes. These twin tornadoes, dude. Twins. Twins, dude. Very, very strong, dude. Holy God. This is definitely El Reno. Because it didn't hit a town. It barely hit it. It hit Hazleton at the end stages of its life. But then we got... Oh, RIP. Okay, so it only did damage... Like, it only did minor damage to the core... The heart of Hazleton, but... Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the very last road that I can possibly go on, which is this one. Wait, where is this thing? Is this here? Oh, it's here, alright. I think it's a power flash. I think it's like way too late for me to deploy. But I'm gonna deploy now. Oh, it's definitely too late for me to deploy, huh? Goodbye, everyone. Wherever this tornado... Oh, R.I.P. Walburn. But this thing is just... Oh, that is just, like, strong. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I'm going to put the screenshots up on screen. If you guys really did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.